It could be one of the lowest mileage Buick Grand National currently in existence. Forking out $75,000 for a Buick Grand National that's over 30 years old may seem baffling, but that's how much someone paid for this example on eBay. However, it might just be the lowest mileage Buick Grand National in existence. Since it left the factory in 1987, it's clocked up just 49 miles, making it a true time capsule and a rare opportunity to own a Buick Grand National in practically factory new condition, aside from the thick layer of dust covering the exterior. It hasn't even been made street legal since it was manufactured or been through dealer delivery preparation. According to the seller's description, the car has remained in storage for decades but has been meticulously maintained until its last owner, the brother of the seller, passed away. It's been criminally underused, having only twice been driven in its entire life to move the car to and from its storage facility. As if this car wasn't already special, the seller believes it's one of the last Buick Grand Nationals ever made during its final year of production. Just about every option available when the car was new has been equipped to. Among the equipment included is a factory-installed T-tops, a concert sound stereo, passenger side mirror joystick control, and power windows, locks, and driver's seat. Under the hood is a 3.8-liter turbocharged V6 paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The interior is immaculate, as steering wheel, seats and floor are still covered in pre-delivery plastic sheets. When it was new, the car sold for just under $19,000 in 1987, but we doubt the winning bidder is complaining paying a premium for one of the lowest mileage Buick Grand Nationals you're ever likely to find.